Imagine Earth is just like a giant boiled egg with three main layers. A thin crust outside, a thick hot mantle in the middle, and a solid core deep inside. When the pressure gets too high, achoo, the Earth sneezes out a volcano. Do the stars go to sleep during the day? No, they are just playing hide and seek. Our atmosphere acts like a glowing blue curtain, scattering sunlight and hiding the stars. But on the moon, there is no air, so even at noon the sky is pitch black and full of stars. Imagine our Milky Way galaxy is like a giant glowing pancake or a thick cake. In summer, we look towards the yummy center, the thickest part, so we see way more stars. And speaking of nature's recipes, oceans are salty because rain washes minerals from rocks right into the sea. With so many planets zooming around, you might worry, will they crash? Don't panic. The sun acts like a giant, invisible traffic police officer. Its powerful gravity keeps every planet driving strictly in its own lane. Ever wonder why stars don't crash into each other? They are masters of social distancing. The average gap between two stars is about 10 light years. That means a collision happens only once every billion years. Ever notice the sun looks huge at sunset? It's a total brain prank. Your brain compares it to tiny houses. And Earth, it's not a perfect round ball either. Spinning makes it chunky at the middle. It's actually slightly pear-shaped with a frosty hat. Launching a rocket, it's like stepping on an airport moving walkway. Earth spins at 465 meters per second. That's a free speed boost into space. But watch out for Mars. A year there is 687 days long. That means double the summer vacation, but also double the homework. Secret time, stars do not twinkle. It's actually our air wobbling around. It's like looking at a coin at the bottom of a wiggly swimming pool. And thunder, that's just grumpy cloud batteries bumping heads. Zap boom,